Mexico, a land of unforgettable beauty. Mexico, a land where nature's wonders meet the heartbeat of its cities. A country so vast, so diverse, that every corner holds something extraordinary. From the endless coastlines to the towering peaks, from the lush jungles to the vibrant streets, Mexico is more than a place. It's a feeling, an experience, a story waiting to be told. The ocean stretches as far as the eye can see, waves rolling in a perfect rhythm, crashing against cliffs and softly kissing golden shores. The sun sets the sky on fire, painting streaks of orange, pink, and purple over the horizon. The wind whispers through the palm trees, and the sound of the waves becomes a melody that never fades. Move inland and the scenery shifts. Rivers carve their way through deep valleys, waterfalls crash into crystal clear pools, and dense forests breathe with life. The air is thick with the scent of earth and rain, the sound of birds filling the vast canopies above. This is nature at its purest, wild, untouched, and breathtaking. Then, the cities rise, bold, alive, full of stories. Streets pulse with energy. People move in a dance between the old and the new. Skyscrapers tower over historic plazas, neon lights reflect on wet cobblestone streets, and the air is filled with music, laughter, and the sizzling aroma of street food. From above, the city glows, stretching endlessly into the night, a constellation of human ambition and culture. Everywhere you look, Mexico is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions and modern life blend seamlessly, where the tranquility of nature meets the vibrant rush of the city, where every sunrise brings a new adventure and every sunset leaves behind a memory. And as the day fades, the beauty of Mexico remains, etched in its landscapes, in its people, in its soul. This is Mexico, not just a place, an experience.